Hey there, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, and I am back with a snack. First of all, if you like these videos and you want more of them, you need to follow. So follow me and you won't ever miss a video. But today I am trying out Cosmic Carrot Chews, organic Cosmic Carrot Chews. They are organic snacks and each pouch of these contains a full serving of carrots. I thought these seemed very unique because they look like they're fruit snacks, but they're really carrot snacks. Carrots made with fruits. And they come in 3 flavors: apple cinnamon asteroid, sour cherry berry blast off, and orange mango moonbeam. Very fun. But how do they taste? Because the first ingredient is organic carrots. So I thought it was a little strange. They look a little bit like little raisins. A very good consistency. It's a little like a fruit snack. This is the apple cinnamon one. I love this. It's actually less of stick in your teeth than a fruit snack. It tastes like carrot, but not too much like carrot. 60 calories a pouch. I'm gonna try the orange mango moonbeam as well. Wow, that's a blast of orange mango carrot. No lie there. I love these. They'd be good on a salad too. Check them out if you can find them. Organic Cosmic Carrot Chews. A full serving of carrots in every pouch, 60 calories.